Hello friends, it's me, Salam here. In this video tutorial, we will develop an root checker app. We will check our mobile root or not. And we can also find some more information about the device like serial number, Android version, your brand number, and many more. So you can just check my profile here. It's Salam here and it's my YouTube channel. Now let's talk about our app. First you need to go to MIT App Inventor. Here you can see that MIT App Inventor, and click on this start new project and name it as root checker, and your own custom name, any one of your choice, and click on OK. Wait some time and it will open a screen like this. Here you need an extension. I put the link in the I put the link in the requirement section. And how to import this extension, you just click on there and import extension. Choose your extension and locate it your location. I'm on desktop and here I find a new folder. Here is my extension com.nmd special tools. Click on that and OK. Click on import. Wait for some time. It will import it here. So let's start our some basic interface designing. We design here, you can see that it's import the special tools. Now let's design our interface. First you click on layout and pick up the horizontal alignment and its width to fill parent. If you didn't know what these functions, you will check out my first tutorial about the browser app. We developed the browser app in this tutorial, and here we developed the root checker app. Here you can label and set this horizontal alignment to center. Change it to welcome screen, welcome, and also change the size of font to 18. Click on bold, font bold, and you can also change the background color like it green, and you can see that background color gray, and here the background color is none and text color is white. Now you need to put the one more horizontal alignment, and here we click the label. First we need to set it parent and click the label into it and name it to as click here to check the root, font bold, and we need a button, so drop it here. And we also choose the horizontal alignment and width to fill parent. Drop it here and it's became to center. We need this button at center, so name it center and name it as check. Change its background color blue and text color white. Font bold. Okay, now we need to basic steps. That's information we need about our device. Just go to video and pick up a label, and here you can write Android version, Android version. Okay, you can set it as font bold, and here you can set the button. You can set an image or you can shape it as rounded. You can see that it's round corner. Android version. Yeah, I had a mistake. Version. and you need to here version, its size, and all it's okay. You need a new label and remove its text, visible to invisible, and you can see that it's visible or invisible, and check it and name it as, rename it as Android version, ANDVER, Android version. Okay, and remove its text, empty, and visible to invisible. Now we need a more label where our it's between them, we invisible it, and you need to put this text to corner version, and you need to put font bold and pick up a label and rename it as kernel version, and remove it also its remove text as same procedure, and visible it invisible. Now let's talk about blocks, the most important thing. First we need to check out the root or not. Stop. First we need to initialize our screen, so click on screen 1, initialize screen 1, do what he do when screen initialize. When we open the app, what it do, what it's really done. So here our Android version label, and where our kernel version label, here our kernel version label, here our Android version label. Okay, that's invisible from there. Let's set out the set kernel version. Here text to go down and go to designer and drag this our extension on the screen. You can see that it's here, and here our kernel version and Android version, visible or not. Android version is here, put it to here, and kernel version, where is kernel version, it's on the position, right position. Okay, now let's back on blocks, visible, kernel version visible, not visible, and Android version visible, not visible. Okay, now go to block, and when screen 1 initialize, set to go to extension and pick up our Android version. Here you can see that Android version here, and set duplicate on right click and set version, and here you can set the Android version, here also Android version, text label text Android version. Okay, that's we invisible there, but we visible that there. So let's visible it, duplicate, and visible it to logic true. It's now visible when the screen is initialized. Okay, and duplicate, and same procedure for the kernel version, so duplicate it, and here you can select the kernel version, and here a special tool case to kernel version, where our kernel version, here kernel version, and duplicate it, visible kernel version to true. Okay, and special case we have two multiple cases, so we want special case Android version, we remove it, just put it and into the basket. Okay, when the screen initialized, that appear. You can also find many of your quantity code, bootloader version, API version, serial. Let's add a serial number, put a label and name it as serial number, serial serial number. Click on font bold and pick up a label that show the serial number, and move its text and visible to invisible, and rename it where it gone, and rename it as serial version, and go to blocks and duplicate it, serial, where the serial version visible to true, and also duplicate it. You can see that we put it on front and it's on there. Special tool, conversion to serial number, and here also set the serial number, serial version, conversion, write version. Okay, you can set it as, and you can also add some more features on the design here. And let's talk about how to check the routes when button 1 is clicked. Here we need a button, but we use this button as a message. So put this button here, and layout, horizontal layout, its width to fill parent, and click on OK, and put this button on it, and it's becomes center. So button is on the center, and here we remove this text, and the button is invisible. Okay, now go to blocks. It's very tricky, and when the button click, here the button to our invisible button. We can set button to when the button is clicked. If here we choose the logic and control, if and else. Okay, if, take this option from logic, if go to the extension, here our extension, and here you check the root check, call root check is equal to, duplicate it true. If it's true, if your device is true, then set button to background color to, first we need to check the text to go up, and choose the text empty, this empty text, and choose here your message, your device rooted. Congratulations, your device is rooted. You can simply write your device is rooted as you want now to inform the user, and set button text color to green. Here you can select the green color, and you can definitely background color, set the background color or not, okay. So put it on basket and duplicate it, else set button to text to, your device is not rooted, and duplicate it, color to red. We all done our app, and in this video tutorial we will discuss about this all. So basics I will show you in this code. You can see all this code and put it as on your try, and you can now go to design and change the screen one to root checker. Okay, you can see that here the root checker, and you can also choose an icon. I have also uploaded an icon, so I choose it from there. Here I have the icon, and click on OK. You can also find this icon on here. It's copyrighted issue. You can see that image may be subjected to copyright, so you can also design your own icon. Definitely, if you are a good designer, you can design your own icon and choose here, and we done with it. Here you can see that icon is labeled, and you can also fixed theme classic, and you can also give the Android and app version code, and when it check the user here, display the message here, the Android version. Let's check it, it's on the position or not. It's on the position. Kernel version, where the kernel version here, that's visible. You can see that it's on here. You can see that it's not on the position, so let's drag it to the position here. Serial version, where the serial version, you can see that it's on the position. And put this button to the button 2 and set the button 2 to visible to true. Duplicate it and make it true, and duplicate it as here, and now export the app. Sorry for that. And now export the app again, and we will meet on Android. I will install the app, and you can check it here, all the blocks. Now it's good. In our previous downloaded APK, the message will not show because we make it invisible and we didn't set it as visible to true. So I will tell you that here you can see that APK is downloaded, and I will put it on my Android. I use the Samsung Galaxy S7, and you can also use it at collapse and expand. Okay, and here you can see that the APK is downloaded, and now I send it to my Android. And you can also check all the settings here. Be sure it's all the true as here, and you can also add some your own functionality to the design section. And design section, the button 2 is invisible and we will visible in the blocks when it's give the error. So let's send it on our mobile. We will meet on Android. Thanks. So I am on my Android Samsung Galaxy S7, and my device is not rooted. Now let's check the app. Open the app, and you can see that we will set this interface on the design section. Click here to check the roots. Android version, kernel version, serial number is my serial number, and you can see that all our information here. And let's check the root. Click on check button, and you can see that it's invisible, and why I click on check, it's become visible, this button visible. You can also disable it. We will forget about it. You can see that here your device is not rooted. Okay, if your device is rooted, it will display the message your device is rooted. So thanks for watching.